Okay, so we got Billy Johnny right here.
This is very good. And I'm joining you.
You was his brother. Oh my God.
Guys, I'm joining inside the build battle. Water build battle.
Okay, so you see, I told you I had this pearl slime. Well, I didn't upload, so I didn't upload that one because I didn't want to upload that one. But okay, so I'm gonna take a piece of this slime. I'm gonna get this one over here. I'm gonna do this one. I'm just gonna have this piece right here because I'm not doing the whole slime. Because I want the whole slime.
I don't think I would be able to kill my brother. But
Okay,
you guys
so
are
put that
double
other slime
teaming me,
over
so
there.
how am I supposed to kill both
So,
of y'all?
okay,
Don't leave me alone, Arrow, please.
Okay, so what we're gonna be doing,
I'll cook you some fried chicken.
Okay, so what we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding random things into slime. So,
I'm gonna
I'm going to add some of these crunchy berries.
You're weird.
Okay, I'm going to no, that's actually really a challenge on YouTube. So, I got some right here. No. I have some right here.
I made a little
I'm going to add it into slime.
Stupid.
It's like, they're like good, but they're like,
I'm trying to look for my dog.
one just.
No, I do not. I'm over here fighting my little brother. That is a spam lie. I was about to say, if I don't win that fight, I'm the world's fastest person in the world.
Somebody got like this.
Okay, so I'm like trying to smash these up.
You can't. You can't. Down here, where you get it. Right here. Get away from me, creep.
Okay, so
I see
y'all,
what it said.
guess what? I just added it all in there and I smushed all of it up. So that's not gonna be the. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get this because I don't. Okay, that's not gonna. Guess what, guys? That's not gonna be the only thing I'm adding in there. I'm gonna even add some hot sauce and stuff like that.
You're weird.
No, it's a challenge. I'm doing a challenge. So you're weird, actually. You be weird sometimes too. While you're
double
talking.
teaming me.
And that was barely eating up.
You guys are literally double teaming me.
Okay, so put that in there.
What's up, Tanya? Tanya, what's up with you, Tanya? Tanya. I'm getting my kill back, Arrow. I will take that kill from you, Arrow.
Avery killed you. Avery, whatever. Avery.
I will kill you for taking my kill, Arrow.
Okay, so like I said, that's not gonna be the only thing. Let's put that in there. We're even gonna add hot sauce and everything in this slime. So don't get too happy.
That's what you get. You deserve that. You deserve it. You deserve to die and take my kill.
Don't kill me.
Ew! Y'all, look at this.
You just.
Ew. This is just like a adding random. You never heard of the adding random things into slime challenge?
If I did, I would kill myself. Don't kill her. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Oh, well, now you can. She just came back.
She's a cheater.
Why do you say cheater like that?
She's a straight cheater.
Oh, where's my gun at? Where's my gun at?
She killed me when I wasn't even ready.
This time just smells
You
like.
can eat some chicken.
You know the cereal that I added in here? That's what it smells like. That's what the slime smells like. It smells like cereal.
You can eat some chicken paw.
We gotta add some more hot sauce because I didn't add that much. Like how you used to add
I want my revenge. What you mean? She killed me when I wasn't ready.
Well, then you're gonna have to die for that. Trying to fight.
I don't care if you're trying to fight somebody.
Hey, move. I got two people on me.
Nah, I was already fighting you.
She killed me when I wasn't ready.
That kind of made the slime like sticky when I added this in here, but that's fine because I have
Apple,
a
that's
sample right
me.
here. So
I'm on my account.
okay, that's not gonna be the only thing I add in there. Wait, Pat, can I just get one chip? Can I get one chip? Huh? Can I just get one chip?
Yes, one, just get one.
Okay, so I have even a Dorito that I'm gonna add in here. So
Do
let's.
you have some shotgun shells, bro, before we fight?
I added some Doritos
Can I
in
get some
here.
shotgun shells?
And basically added
I'm
like
gonna have to look for a llama when I'm done.
I just need shotgun shells. And y'all over here, double teaming.
look, I added like hot sauce. I added
You
those.
need to get shot in your
DJ, look, I added these hot sauce. I added that cereal. I
You're
added that.
disgusting.
I added Doritos.
But I'm gonna give you some shotgun shells when I find some.
Gosh, look at it.
He has no shotgun shells. That's why he only got one extra.
No, but you see how he kills me? He breaks me down, and then he tries to shoot me.
How did I break her down?
Yes, you do.
Shut up. You don't know what I did.
Exactly, because you know you're trash.
You're trash.
Basically, both of y'all try some. Shut up. I'm not
You're
trying.
just mad because I'm better than you.
Who got more kills, though? Who got more kills, though?
You killed me when I wasn't ready? Yep. Shut up, shut up. You killed me when I wasn't ready.
Tell anybody if you're ready. Kill Mike.
Then why was I standing still? When you saw me stand exactly still.
Man, shut up, shut up.
You shut up, loser. She's trash at the end.
It's actually really good. But what I can say, sport.
Yeah, I'm kicking her.
Okay.
She's gonna disconnect.
How did I?
Do the party, DJ.
No. Trying to play with her. Pause. No. Not. Never. Gotta get pumped in them toes. I like them toes. You know how I like them. I like them fried and all bloody.
DJ, stop being nasty.
No, you can play.
I can?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so this challenge is over, so I'm gonna post this video. Y'all, this
But you don't have
slime.
to wash your hands.
Are you gonna put that back in this line?
No, I'm finna do something with this.
Oh crap! It's so good.
Huh? It's good?
It's so good.
It's so good?
Avro, can you? Avro,
Did she leave?
Avro, can you die, please? Look here, Avro. We could be friends, right?
Look, this one is more stretchy than this one. Let's add a little bit of hot sauce in that. No, nothing.
No, what? How did you get up there?
I don't have to wash my hands because look, my hands are not even dirty.
This game is so
Still wash
good.
your
They
hands.
need to delete this
Okay, I
game.
can wash my hands.
Please.
Y'all finna play some Fortnite. So peace out, bye.
Avro.